ओके, मैं स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ। तो जो हमारा यस्टरडे जो टॉपिक हमारा जो लेक्चर हमारा स्टार्ट हुआ था, वो स्टार्ट हुआ था इक्वेशन रिड्यूसिबल टू होमोजेनियस फॉर्म। तो यहाँ पे एक्चुअल में ये गलत मेंशन हुआ है। इसका मतलब होता है यदि a बाई कैपिटल A इज नॉट इक्वल टू b बाई कैपिटल B, then this is your first case. In this case, we have to proceed in this manner. You have to given in this form of the first order linear differential equation, and you have to assume small x equal to capital X plus h, small y equal to capital Y plus small k, and again differentiate both uh, both, and after that we get this expression small dy by dx equal to capital dy by dx. After that, putting these all three quantities in this first expression, and after that simplify this expression and taking this part equal to 0 separately, and also taking this part separately and taking equal to 0. So you have to here see these two equations, and after that solving these two equations for h and k, and find the value of h and k. After this equation, suppose this is second equation, this equation can be rewrite in this manner: dy by dx equal to small a capital X plus b capital Y divided by capital A x plus capital B y. This is equation number 4, and it is reduced to homogeneous form. Homogeneous form. We know that what is the working process of the homogeneous differential equation. You have to just remember those steps. If any equation convert in your homogeneous differential equation, after that you have to just check out the order of the above function, sorry, the degree of the above function and the degree of the lower function are equal. Then we have to inbuild this method as like capital Y equal to capital X into B. After that integrate, differentiate this function, and you have to find capital dy upon capital dx with respect to x. Differentiate capital V plus V capital uh, capital dvy capital dx. These are the process of homogeneous differential equation. After that, after that solve the your differential equation and find the solution. Suppose here I am taking one example. This is given the example. Firstly, you have to just check the given differential equation is homogeneous form, yeah, not. So here the given differential equation is not homogeneous form because the above function is not homogeneous function, because here each term have degree not same, because here is degree 1, here is degree 1, but here is degree 0. So homogeneous function is always contain each term same degree. Similarly, this function also not homogeneous function, so the given differential equation is not homogeneous. homogeneous differential equation. So in the case, we have to assume firstly small x equal to capital X plus h, small y equal to capital Y plus k. Another thing, you have to just compare this differential equation with the general differential equation. Your general differential equation rewrite in this manner. So here is small a, small b, small c, and here is capital A, capital B, and capital C. So if you compare with this equation, you have to got it here small a equal to 1, capital B equal to capital B equal to 2, capital A equal to 2, and capital B equal to 1. After that, this condition you have to check small a upon capital A equal to is not equal to capital small b upon capital B. So if you put here the value of small a, small b, you can find this. So that's mean we have to proceed this manner. Small x equal to capital X plus h, small y equal to capital Y plus k. After that, integrate this function, sorry, differentiate this function and differentiate this function also. So we get here directly, I'm directly write down here capital dy by capital dx equal to small dy by dx. After that, putting these value in, suppose this is your given x equation is like capital equation a. So putting these all three value in given differential equation a. So this equation can be converted in this manner. After that, simplify this differential equation, we get in this manner. So after that, what I'm saying that I'm saying that the constant part taking separately equal to 0. This is constant part taking separately equal to 0, and also this is constant part taking separately equal to 0. And our new differential equation can be rewrite in this manner. And these two expression, these two constant value in this manner, h plus 2k minus 3 equal to 0. This rewrite as like h plus 2k equal to 3, and similarly other equation 2h plus k minus 3 equal to 0, and 2h plus k equal to 3. Here, suppose this is equation number first and equation number second. Solving equation number first and second, and find the value of h and k by using substitution method, which is we have already know about in 10th class. So you can easily find here h and k. Here is h equal to 1 and k equal to 1. These two value keep in your mind. We will use in later. After that, your new equation is this. Suppose this is equation given here too. So we have to given this equation capital V. Suppose that. So this is the given differential equation. You know that given this expression is known as first degree function, and here also first degree function. So that means this given the rewrite differential equation is homogeneous form. After that, using homogeneous differential equation steps here. So here what we do, firstly we have to take capital Y equal to small v into capital X, because here is X and Y is capital form, that's why we have to taking capital X and capital Y. So after that, differentiate this expression, we get another expression as like this. These two value put at the equation b, we get this this expression. After that, after that Just simplify this expression. Just simplify this expression, and we get this expression. This is, we know that, the variable separable expression. In this way, we directly integrate both sides and we find the value of uh, given integral. So here we, after that we integrate this. That's mean this integrate this way, and this way. So here we just separate these two quantity, 2 by 1 minus v square. Here we separate v upon 1 plus v square. Also this can be written in this form. I'm just simplify this, how to write this. So 2 can be written as 1 plus 1 plus v, and the 1 minus v can be written as 1 plus v into 1 minus v. After that, this expression can be written as 1 plus v divided by 1 plus v, and here is 1 minus v, and again here another expression, 1 upon 1 minus v into 1 plus v. Here 1 plus v cancel out by 1 plus v. This expression can be write 1 minus v, but here 1 minus v plus 1 minus v square. So I think I will give one formula which is related to this. If you know about this formula, so I'm rewrite again this formula. Because here is another expression as like this here. This expression 1 square minus v square. So integrate of 1 a square minus v square equal to uh, 1 by 2a 1 by 2a log v minus a upon v plus a. So we have to use this formula in this part, and here is we directly integrate. This is the log 1 minus v, but here is some mistakes. If you see here, because if you simplify this expression can be written as in this manner. So after that you have to use this process. So I'm solving this process here. Just understand what I'm saying, that here after simplify this expression, 2 plus v divided by 1 minus v square. This can be written as 1 upon 1 minus v plus 1 upon 1 square minus v square, and here is d, here is dv, and here is d capital X divided by capital X. After that integrate this function. So here integration of 1 minus v, here is integration of 1 minus 1 square minus v square dv, here is dv, and here is integration dx upon x. The solution of this, minus log 1 minus v plus here 1 by a, because a equal to the, we have to using this formula, a square minus x square. The value of this 1 by a log x minus log, sorry, here the formula is this process, sorry, x square minus a square, this way. So we just taking negative sign here, so I think here is negative sign. So this expression this way, b square minus 1 square can be written as, so here is this expression, 1 upon x square minus a square can be written as equal to 1 by 2a, 1 by 2a log x minus a, x minus c upon x plus a. This formula using here, and here is log capital X, also taking constant log c. So here is minus log 1 minus v. Here is also minus 1 by a equal to 1 log v minus 1 divided by v plus 1. And here is log a plus log v formula used here. So we directly taking log capital X into c. Now simplify this expression using here minus log 1 minus v. Also here solving this log a minus b formula using here. So these all value uh, can be write down in this manner. These all value taking right hand side. So this negative sign or also converted in positive sign. So here is log v minus 1 upon v plus 1 plus log capital X c equal to 0. These are log a plus log b equal to log a into b. So here we directly write down log is whole bracket v minus 1 sorry 1 minus v into v minus 1 divided by 1 plus v plus sorry into capital X into c equal to 0. After that you have to using uh, uh, is v equal to value capital Y upon capital X, also using capital X equal, we know that small x equal to capital X plus h, and small y equal to capital Y plus h. K, the value of h and k equal to 1, h equal to 1, k equal to 1. So we have to take here h and k equal to 1. So capital X equal to capital X equal to capital X equal to small x minus 1 and capital Y equal to small y minus 1. So put these value here, y, y and x, also x. So after that you have to just simplify this and you have to find the solution. Small log whole bracket 1 minus v equal to x upon y. It means um, small y minus 1 divided by small x minus 1. This is first expression. Again here small y minus 1 upon small x minus 1 divided by 1 plus small y minus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x equal to x minus 1 into capital C equal to 0. This is your solution. I hope you have to understand this question. Now here I'm just going to another question. I think here is some mistakes, so that's why I'm solving there. The second equation is this. Again, this equation rewrite because the given differential equation is not in the form. Firstly, you have to convert your equation in this form. After that, you have to just check a and b are same or not equal to same. If same, if same, if this equal to same, here is 1 by 1 equal to 2 by 2. So you have to use second case. So I'm not explain this second case here. So here second case is here this. So if a upon capital A equal to b upon b, then the value of hk will not be finite. So here is given. So you have to remember this condition. If small a upon capital A equal to small b upon capital B are same, in the case h and k will not finite. It means we can't find h and k value. So in this way, we have to just remember only these things. We have to let this portion equal to directly this portion equal to another variable z. Just remember. After that, this also differentiate with respect to small x. So here we have to find del z upon del x equal to a plus b dy by dx. This another expression you have to remember here. Let ax plus by equal to z. After that, differentiate with respect to x. We got this expression also. So in this second question, using this method, so here you have to write down because here is this condition is satisfied. So in this case, we just put this equal to because these are same above and below. So in this case, we have to uh, directly use this. After that, differentiate this with respect to x. So we get this expression and find the value of dy by dx here. So here, what is the value of dy by dx here? Here is 1 by 2 into dz by dx minus 1. So putting the value of dy by dx equal to this and putting the x plus y equal to z. So this equation become as like this. This expression as like this. After that, this simplify this equation. So the given differential equation is converted in dependent variable z or independent variable x. After that, separate the value of z is one sided and separate the value of x is another side. After that, you have to see here the given differential equation in this manner. So here is only a function of z and here is only function of x. So after that, simplify this condition also here same way. What we do here this portion. Here we have to do how to simplify this z plus 1 divided by 3z minus 1. So what we do here this, we have to multiply by 3 and divided by 3. So 1 by 3 write down outside. After that 3z plus. So here is also 3. So what we do 1, I'm taking minus 1 here, already 1 3 here and plus taking 1 also here divided by 3z minus 1. Also you have to using partial integral case here. So after that I'm just simply solve this 1 by 3. This taking part with this also is neglecting. So here is only come to 1. After that here 4 by 3 z minus 1. So you have to see here also, I think this way. You have to just check here. 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3. So here also 4 by 3. If we multiply 1 by 3 is here, so we directly find this. So but this is the process how to you have to utilize your question, how to use this condition. After otherwise you have to use your own method which you know which you learn in 12th standard. After that you have to simplify. After that integrate both side. You have to find this value. After that the put the value of z. If you put the value of z, you got the answer here in x and y. Here is only one constant a because the given differential equation is first order and first degree. Okay, thank you.